More news from Nepal. Running short of oxygen for patients of COVID-19, Nepal has requested mountain climbers of ongoing spring expedition to bring back their canisters so that it can be refilled to supply medical gas to the patients. With the COVID-19 infection surging in the country, patients are gasping for oxygen as there is a dearth of oxygen containers. Nepal has turned to its mountaineers for help in the ongoing COVID-19 crisis in the country, asking them for their empty oxygen cylinders for medical refilling. Nepal saw a sudden surge in the cases of coronavirus across the country, along with a surge in infection rate and a crunch of oxygen cylinders. Nepal has reported 447,704 coronavirus cases and 4,856 deaths. The Nepal Mountaineering Association has asked more than 400 climbers to bring back around 3,500 cylinders that have been taken for expedition of Nepal's 8,000 meters plus peaks this season.
एक्सपिडिसनमा जुन सबै क्लाइम्बर्सहरू बेस क्याम्पतिर चाहिँ छ उहाँहरूसँग पनि निष्क्रिय चाहिँ सिलिन्डरहरू भएकोले हामीले प्रत्येक ओनरहरू र अपरेटरहरूलाई पनि हामीले कुरा गरिसकेको छ यो चाहिँ एक्सपिडिसन पश्चात यो चीजलाई चाहिँ प्रयोगमा आयो भने तपाई हामीले सहयोग गरौँ.
Our government and city and our public, they have a lot of coronavirus sickness, so they have a problem for oxygen. I heard that we have around 7 summit treks have around 1,000 bottles. So we can when the empty cylinder is come here, we can provide this cylinder to our government, and government will be make a refill for medical oxygen.
The Himalayan nation, which earns millions of dollars from climbers every year, closed the mountain in March 2020 due to the pandemic, but reopened for this year's climbing season that started in April. It issued a record 408 permits to climbers attempting to scale the 8,848.86 meter peak. The new wave of coronavirus infections, which has piled across the Indian border in Nepal, has seen a shortage of hospital beds and medical supplies across the country.